Hello guys, we're back again in our tutorial. We already finished the contract tutorial, the equipments and the spare parts. So today we will learn how to use our work order module tutorial. So the last time if you remember in our spare parts module, we we already generate one work order so that we can issue him spare parts. So let's go back to the work order. And in the work order modules, you can see also refine search, which is assigned to uh, priority and status. So you can see there's no assigned to, it is empty. And here it's empty also. In work order module, because after you make a new work order module, it will not reflect first the assigned to drop down or form. As you can see, there's no assigned to here in our form. It will only appear if you edit our work order. So let's try it. Okay, here it is. Now we can change also the clinics, and now we can put now the assigned to, action taken, how much the cost you already used, and the closing time and the status. Is it on process or is it closed already? Okay, let's this one. It is use this one because in work orders, it's like you have a request to see what type, what is the problem of this work order of this equipment. So we will see here, you can see the description, what is the problem, and it tell already, please repair. And there's still a blank so that we can fill it. So let's go back to the first step. So if we add new, which clinic, the barcode, and which equipment we will be repairing, and also who is the requester, who requested it, and the requester's phone number, and what type of work order. You can upload also which damage, pictures, videos here, and you describe what is the problem of our work order and our equipments. So there's a priority also. Okay, let's go. Let's say we already made one work order, so that let's say we can edit now. So this is assigned to, for example, me, Dan, Aurelia, and I already take the work order and I saw the machine. uh, I told it it is fixed already, and I think I fixed it already without labor cost and parts cost. So let's say still 0, and the closing time is uh, today with that this day. So this one is closed, so we can save it already. Now this one is closed already. We have here the status closed already. As you observe here in our ledger, you will see also the PDF file here. So if we will click it, you can see our work order PDF. What is the status, the date, which is, who is the requester name, what is the problem, who is assigned, and what he did to the machine, to this work order, and priority, and so on. So we have this one already, auto-generated PDF form. And also, we know already about these toolbars. So I think this is our work order module. Thank you.